There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down.
I love this mural. I have a picture of Salem in front of this mural.
And I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels.
In Nashville. It is very rainy and gloomy, as you can see, but I feel like those are perfect thrifting days. They're just also, oh my god, I've got so much makeup on my collar. Ignore that. I feel like thrifting days are really nice when it's gloomy because number one, what else would you really be doing except watching Netflix? And number two, it gets you really moody, and I feel like Nashville thrifting is so moody. If you haven't tried it, you know, and if you have, you know what I mean. But yeah, we are on our way to breakfast. We went to the King Princess concert last night. Neen, we have to turn the music down. It's copyright issues. You're trying to get me banned from YouTube. She's a hashtag newbie. But yeah, the King Princess concert was so amazing. The music, the people, we danced, we had a great time. It was awesome. I feel like concerts in Nashville are just, people are so much more enthusiastic most of the time than in Birmingham. Birmingham people just kind of like stand like that for most concerts. So it was nice to actually have a little momentum going. We're going to Fido for breakfast. It's one of my favorite restaurants here in Nashville, and Melanie has never been, so it will be her very first time. Also, if you live near Nashville, you need to go to Fido. They have the best food, but honestly, the little bongo muffins they have in there, there's like a sweet potato one. I think it's sweet potato white chocolate or something like that. Girl, it's so good. Anyway, the day is young. We will go to probably some thrift stores after that. And Take two.
Because I looked like a lump in the first video.
I know. I had to retake this clip because the first video we were at my brother's apartment, which my brother's here, but he's at work right now. So maybe he'll join us later. Miss him. Hello from Starbucks. But yeah, I had to retake this clip because we were at my brother's house and she was just like sitting on a lump, like looking like a straight up lump on the bed.
I was sad. I died in Candy Crush.
She lost in Candy Crush.
Died.
Dead. I think that's about it. This is my makeup of the day. I tried to go really glowy as usual. I used a gold highlight, which It just makes me want summertime. So if summer could get here, that would be great. Sunshine, you hear me? You feel me? Okay, bye.
Save me now. Isn't it funny how we all seem to feel like it's all a dream? Do you wish you could shut it off? Do you wish you could make it stop? Do you wish you could fade away?
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me. I'll agree in exchange.
Okay, we keep taking car clips. This is very uneventful, but that's okay. We're on our way home, and
I'm just pretending to drive.
my voice cracked. We thrifted, we vintage shopped, we ate again, and we got to see my brother. I keep looking over her like she's gonna say something, but she's not.
I'm just thinking about my windbreaker.
She got a really cute windbreaker. We'll show it in the vlog. Ooh, I got a couple things too. And before we head back to Birmingham, we had to pick up Frothy Monkey, like basic Twitches. Which is funny because she's not really a sweet drink kind of girl. She does like cold brews, very like robust, hot bean water type situation. Whiskey. But if you have a Frothy Monkey near you, you need to try the Monkey Mocha. What is it? It's a mocha with banana and maybe peanut butter. Is that right?
No.
Flavorings?
It's just chocolate, espresso, and a little bit of banana syrup.
Yes, it's chocolate, espresso, and banana syrup. It's so good. I've never had a coffee that I liked as much as this. So we got a little frothy. We're on the road.
Back on 65.
Going towards Birmingham. And thank you guys for coming along. I hope you enjoy this vlog. And
Whoa, everyone sucks at driving.
happy travels. Hi guys. So I am successfully back in my apartment in Birmingham, and it's a couple days later, but I wanted to share with you the few things that Melanie and I picked up when we were vintage shopping. I was gonna say thrifting, but we didn't really go to thrift stores. We hit up a lot of like the vintage stores, which are a different type of price point, which is why we don't have like a huge haul to show. And for me, I just cleaned out my closet and we moved into a really precious historic property downtown, and the closet space is not what it was in Hoover, so it's kind of made me minimize my wardrobe and be a little more, how do I say, I can't have as many clothes, okay? And so I have to be very, very selective on what I buy. With that said, here are a couple things that we picked up while we were in Nashville, and I can't wait for you to see them. So the first thing that Melanie picked up was this precious windbreaker, and if you are, which she was born in '89, so she was like more of a 90s baby than me. I was born in '93, so a lot of my memories start in the, 2000s. If you were a 90s baby, windbreakers were an essential in your toddler life. I know I have so many pictures of me in like these huge jackets, and the sound, memories. This one is precious. It is a vintage Wilson windbreaker. I remember seeing this brand a lot when I was a kid, and it has the most like amazing pastel color scheme. It's got this periwinkle purple and this really pretty seafoam blue with like eggshell bodice, and it's just perfect. Like, the color is amazing. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to layer up. It's just perfect. I love this guy. It was about $28 to $30. The next thing I picked up, which I can't really hold up because I'm wearing them right now, so I will insert some B-roll. It is this amazing little pair of, I don't want to say vintage jeans because I don't believe they're a vintage brand, but it is a very stretchy flare pair of slightly like ankle length jeans, which for someone like me who has more wide set hips, a larger butt, and very short squatty legs, it's very hard to find jeans that hit at that true like ankle length that fit my waist. So when I tried these on in the store, I was so thrilled. Like, when I say thrilled, I was excited, ecstatic, so amazed that these were like the perfect length, and they are so stretchy. I love jeans that fit like a glove, but you can put them on without undoing the buttons. I feel like that's one of those things in life that we don't talk about, but we all need, So they're just that type of really stretchy, comfortable denim that I could wear in my sleep. I love pairing them with like a chunky sweater and with some fun boots that have a little bit of a heel to really show off that like short flare. I just love them so much. Okay, and last but not least, I scored this amazing kimono, and I don't think I will ever buy or need another one. I will, but for the time being, this one's pretty much taking the cake. It's so good. It's like this very hot teal. It's iridescent. It has these gold like dragons. What else is on here? Oh, like little peacocks. Yeah, they're like peacock feathers, little dragons. It's just me in a kimono. There's no tag. You can tell by the way that it's made that someone definitely hand sewed this guy. It looks very, very authentic. It's the softest material in the world. I wore it this past Valentine's Day on our date night, and I'll have to insert some pictures because it was so fun. I was literally the only person in the room wearing a kimono at the most, but also I was wearing this hot teal that I think just blinded several people, but it was so worth it. I loved it so much, and it was about $35, which To me, that's a really great price for something that's handmade and as like unique as that is and high quality. I just thought was such a steal. I can't wait to wear this and sleep in this every single day. All right, that is the end of this little Nashville thrift vlog video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. It would mean the world to me. And leave a comment so that I can know who you are and we can be new little friends on this platform that we have here together. Thank y'all so much for sticking around. I hope you have a great week and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Do you wish you could shut it all